Hey guys, and welcome back to another Dusting and Ninjas video. And today it's me, J-Man. Yes, that's right, it's me, J-Man, playing Deadbolt. Now, this is like a ninja game, I guess. Another night. Yes, so like we gotta kill people, not necessarily stealthily. We just gotta murder the crap out of them. I have played before, so. Knock. Yeah, so you can knock on doors, turn off lights. Yeah, all that jazz. Quick. And shoot guns. No. Anyway, yeah, so this is gonna be fun. Let's do this. Oh, you can also go through vents and kill people on the toilet. Ooh, okay. Let's go through this vent. I'm gonna take this guy out from behind. And then his friend, and then wait for this guy's gonna run off. Okay, got 2 bullets. Nope, never mind, we got his bullets. And that's how you do it, boys. Yes. Yes, I know. Oh, this is... I'm gonna cut all this stuff out, guys, because it's just boring. Okay, guys, so, yes, next mission. It's just kind of boring getting rid of a mission. Well, that worked. Yay. Oh crap. You want to open the door? Hey buddy! How did I miss his head? Hey look, it's my friend, Candle. The Candle Man. And that's how you do it, boys. So the first mission is going to be super easy. And then it's going to get super difficult. And then you're going to hear a lot of raging soon. Like a lot of raging. I'm going to do 3 missions a thing. Yeah. I'm going to do 3 missions. This is what I mean by boring, guys. It's just doing that. I'm going to do 3 missions a episode. So this episode might be fast. Oh yeah, so basically the storyline is we're killing bad guys and they're zombies. And I think we're trying to destroy a drug called Sparkle. Well, that didn't work. Ah, dang it. Okay, that happened. Oh, this is getting frustrating. Here we go. Dang it! Thank goodness. No! Okay, guys. Okay, I believe in me. This is the one. No, it's not. Okay, fine. Different tactic. Well, that worked. Hey guys. Ooh, okay. Sniff the drugs. Get the shotgun. All's well that ends well, huh? Well, great. I'm gonna die again. Okay. Now, I think these last 2 deserve the shotgun. You didn't die. Okay, there we go. Woo! How did that guy not die? It's too far away. Anyway, guys. Whew. Okay, another mission done. Another awkward quad. Okay, dude. So, actually, in future, next episodes, I think I'll buy some guns.
Alright.
And explode.
Alright.
Kill an undead using the toilet. I did.
Alright.
Good job, Jacob. You ran out of bullets. Well, who didn't see that coming? Come on, here we go. Oh, I closed the door on him. Got him. I'm like a murderer. Come up, please. My shotgun wants to say hi. His arm can do a full rotation. Okay, here we go. Oh, that other guy was there. Just go in. Oh crap, run. He saw me turn off the lights. Sneaky little guy. Well, I missed. Got the drugs. Okay, we gotta kill this guy. He shot through the door! Son of a... head. I like knives. They just... I believe in me. Oh yeah, I made it. He doesn't know I'm there. Huh. Well, this is working out. Well, except for the fact that I wasted like 20 bullets. Well, oh, refill. That guy can reach. Well, that's great. Okay. Oh, just in time. I ran out of bullets. Okay, let's try this again. What I'm gonna do... I missed, and I have... well... Great. Here we go. Got him. I'm hiding the wrong way. Oh, reserve ammo for stronger enemies. Oh my gosh. I have 2 bullets. I can't kill this guy with 2 bullets. I need 3 headshots. Kill me. Thank you. Okay. Well, I was hiding in the wrong direction, so kind of we should have expected that. Okay, here we go. Don't miss.
Hard.
Don't miss. Oh yeah! And that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Now it's time to give this other big guy a little bit of a surprise. It's his own medicine. It's called shotgun. Do you want to come have some shotgun? Yeah, he does. Well, they know I'm here, so.
Hard.
Are you kidding me? After all that, after all that, this happens.
Hard.
All the tireless work. Oh, this tireless work, man. It turns out it only takes one shell to kill the big guy. Just kind of got a little bit, Knock knock, pizza delivery. Order's been cancelled. Woo! Here we go, guys. We can do this. Gotcha. 2 bullets. Okay. Don't fail now. Come on. Yes! Woo! Woohoo! Burn this. And I missed some drugs over here, but it doesn't matter. I've killed everyone. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh. Well, guys, this is Deadbolt. If you've enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more, I guess. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of frustrated about it. Just not looking forward to the next next few videos. But see you guys in the next video, I guess. Goodbye. Yeah, we can't get them. Oh crap. Have a monkey. Oh, I put the monkey over here, dude. Revive me quick while they're distracted. Hold X.